Alright, hi guys, so I'm sorry I'm talking low. I'll turn it up when I'm editing, but Jonathan is sleeping, so I'm getting this video done while he's sleeping, while I have some downtime. This hair is from Grace hair on AliExpress. Honey, when I tell you these AliExpress companies are stepping it up, this thing is so soft. It feels magical. Look at that. I'm wearing 24 inches of pure fantasy. Look at how, I'm to show you guys how long this 24 inches is. I cannot believe how long this hair is. I cannot believe the quality of this hair. This feels like I don't know what to say, like mainstream virgin hair, you know what I mean? I mean, it doesn't feel, I'm trying to fix this because I didn't train the closure before I did this video. I just kind of sprayed it down, but it's not really working out. Yeah, so I don't know what kind of sorcery this is, but this hair is Peruvian Straight. I'm wearing a closure and 3 bundles of hair. It is only 3 bundles, but because it's Peruvian, it has a little weight to it. There's absolutely nothing in this hair. The luster is as pure as you're seeing it right now. I used my Vanity Planet straightening brush to straighten this hair. So yeah, so that's what you guys, the luster that you're seeing is from this brush. That, and also the hair is damn good hair. I have nothing bad to say about it at all. The shedding, I mean, I don't know what's going on because this hair cut up, right? In order for me to make it work, I had to cut it up, and I'm telling you, it's not a lot of shedding at all. Most of the shedding is coming from me cutting the hair, and rain was when I cut your waves, the hair sheds from that area. So that's where most of the shedding is coming from. But I'll definitely keep you guys up to date. I just want to really quickly come by and show you this hair. I love it so much. Peruvian Straight. Yes. Oof. So this wig is a wig. So this is a wig, and I have made it. I make my own wigs. If I do this is what I want, but it's not doing it. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this hair at all. Peruvian Straight, minimal shedding. But I'll update you guys through my Snapchat as well as my Instagram. But I'll be making one more video. I have one more hair that I got from Grace that I want to show you guys, and I'm going to do that last video updating you guys on both hairs. Alright, that's it for this video. I know it's very short. I did not want to waste any time. The point is, the hair is phenomenal. That's just the point of it all. The hair is great. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by this one, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask me. I'll just respond via the comment section, and yeah, talk to you guys in the next video.
God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I made some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read and Isaiah. Yeah man. I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Yeah, me a say no. Lord, I'm a shepherd. All of my friend, them a be a lamb. We know this so be a God, we know be a lamb. We are like Abraham. No, so when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined. Fi kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. I know man is an island unless them a key man. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus, me that be a layman. See man who carry the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody fill up the Lord rain, man, him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him do fi joke, no me nah go forget.